Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified.
Hi guys, I'm Angie with Violet Doodles Boutique, and today I want to show you how to make this rainbow striped tumbler using alcohol ink markers from Arteza. They sent us over some goodies to try out, and I was really happy to see how vibrant these colors were, and they're super fun and really easy to use. And I also added a little bit of glitter to my epoxy from this big pack, so we'll use that too. I have another video planned later for this big pack of glitter, but for now, I just want to show you the alcohol ink markers. They're super cool. For this project, I just have my cup that's already been prepped and spray painted with a flat white spray paint. And then I'm going to just tape off the rims and leave just a little bit of the stainless showing. So basically what I'm going to be doing is just taking these alcohol ink markers and using the chisel side and just drawing stripes and just basically covering it. I want to go all the way from the tape to the tape. And make sure that you get on the edge of that paint. And this is really, really striped, but I want it to blend quite a bit more than that. And so with my blender marker, I'm going to just start where I began earlier and just go over all of my colors and kind of blend them in. And this is what the paper is good for. If you need to clean off your tip, you can do that. So we started with the pinks here. So about halfway into that first color, I'm just going to go all the way across. And basically what this is doing is kind of taking the color off and displacing it. Sometimes I'll go back and forth, blend the colors in so that way I've got a little bit of orange, a little bit of yellow kind of going together. Now it's quite a bit more of an ombre going around. Next I'll just take off the tape and I'll show you how to clean off the rims. Okay, to clean up like here where the ink has kind of bled underneath my tape and it's just not really all very even, I'm just going to wipe it with some alcohol. Just some 91% is what I keep in my office. On a paper towel. And then I just fold it in half, very carefully just go up to where I want to clean, and just give it a swipe all the way around. Okay, and the next step, I'm just going to let this dry for about 12 hours, and then I will go in and spray seal, and I'll show you how to do that. But the colors are really pretty and vibrant. It's a super easy and fast project. So I've just taped this off. It's ready for epoxy. I have that mixed, but I want to add just a little bit of sparkle to it. So I have this fine glitter. It's Snow White by Arteza. I'm just going to add a little to my epoxy. And then I'm just going to apply it like normal. Just wanted to do a close-up real quick of the markers. There are 60. It comes in this case that you can carry it around, take it wherever you want to go. It has the blender pen and all of these different colors. And then also the glitter palette has 54 colors of glitter in it. And they are smaller, but they're all so pretty. This is the one that we'll use in the video. It's Snow White. But there's neons, there's jewel tones, metallics, and there's even glow in the dark. These are really fun. So we'll feature these in another video, but I just wanted to show you the big box. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was fun. I hope it was helpful. Remember to check out the video description for the links to these Arteza products. This is an affiliate link, and I do receive a small commission for those, but that is at no extra cost to you. We'll do another video later featuring the big pack of glitters. But like I said, these alcohol ink markers, they're super fun, really easy, and I cannot wait to do another one with those as well. Thanks again for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.